It's a piece of wood like this. They make on the paper bags and everything for the food or paper bag carry-ons and everything. And then this is other festivals here. So that's the Sweden, Norway, Denmark. So Finland, Ukraine. We are recycle for the other piece of wood like this. So you cut the wood to make all the paper bags and everything like this, like this, like this. Oh, the last one. This is the last one to making of the paper bag. So all the paper recycle. See from here, you can roll in the paper. So this is the last before they make it a paper like okay. So example like this. Here, paper glass, paper bags, paper everything, carton for the food. So this one. Everything they make by a piece of wood. Like that. Okay. So that's a good recycle. So Sweden, Norway, Finland, Ukraine, Denmark. We are recycles and biology. So that's very good.